Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be showing you if you can get the Threads badge back on Instagram. Today, let's go over whether you can recover the Threads badge on Instagram. If you are on the app and have a Threads badge, it means you sign up for the Threads app by Meta, and it shows a little badge on your profile. Okay, to proceed, open up your Instagram app. Tap on your profile at the bottom right, and if you see a Threads badge right under your name, then you have signed up for the app. If you don't see it, download and install Threads and it will show up here. You can tap on the badge and it says it's a temporary badge that indicates you are on Threads, allowing anyone on your Instagram profile to go to Threads. There is a hide badge button at the bottom, but be aware that once you remove it, you cannot add it back to your profile. As of now, Instagram doesn't allow you to get the Threads badge back. So, if you are going to remove it, make sure to think before deciding. So, the answer is no. You cannot get the Threads badge back on Instagram once you remove it. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You cannot get the Threads badge back on Instagram. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.